Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introducing, my name adalah Aura Farika with name 230530046 and the study program of Economics Education at Padang State University. Okay, first I will be presenting an introduction from hacking. Background. Along with the rapid development on the internet, on the other hand, it is also followed by the emergence of new problems that are difficult to solve. In addition, the internet has brought major change to the behavior and lifestyle of individuals who tend to choose to do everything quickly and can interact with other individuals without having to meet face to face. One of the things that disturbs internet users or netter is the increasingly widespread hacking activities carried out by a person or groups of people with certain intention and objective. Next, purpose. The purpose of taking this issue is so that if there are hacking activities related to crimes such as theft of personal data or confidential data, fraud, theft of financial system, and other crimes can be anticipated in advance. For example, we can report to the authorities. Next, benefit. The benefits of taking this issue are to be able to know what hacking is and everything related to hacking, and to be more careful of important data on the computer by increasing data security, and if the data is hacked, it can recover quickly or report to the authorities. Further on, applicational analysis. A for actual. The website of the Ministry of Defense, Kemhan, was allegedly hacked by hackers, and it was trending on social media on Wednesday, November 2023. From January 1, 2023 to October 23, 2023, BSSN has sent 1,570 cyber attack notification to a number of institutions in Indonesia. Of the notification sets, 42% have received a response, while the others 58% have not been responded to. This is related to cybersecurity awareness. E for problematic. Hacking in cybersecurity refers to the misuse of devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and networks to cause damage or destroy systems, collect users' information, steal data and documents, or disturb data-related activities. For khalayak or audience. According to the results of existing research, Indonesia itself is listed as a country where its cybersecurity is still weak. How weak Indonesia's cybersecurity is can be seen from how many incidents have occurred in Indonesia, starting from the problem of hacking a bank's data, then also the hackers who enter the bank security system, as well as many other incidents. In fact, there are around 175 countries that have been investigated, and it turns out that Indonesia is the country that contributes the most to 38% of the total number of hacking action on the internet. As a result of the hacking that occurred in Indonesia, it ultimately weak weaken Indonesia's security system, and in this case, Indonesia also had to suffer health losses. According to the CIS, all report due to cybercrime in Indonesia, Indonesia has suffered a loss of 1.2%. Next, L for layak or worthy. Hacker Jorga has recently become a hot topic of conversation in the weather community. How not? Because Hacker Jorga is currently being targeted by the State Intelligence Agency or BIN after hacking into Indonesian government data several times, such as leaking the population identification number of Johnny G. Plate as the Minister of Communication and Information and hacking President Jokowi's personal letter, which should belong to the State Intelligence Agency and is highly confidential. It was known that Jorga once claimed to have 26 million in-day-hop customer browsing history, 1.3 billion SIM card registration data, and 105 million KBU data. Through his Telegram group, Jorga spread the personal data of a number of public officials, such as the Minister of Communication and Information. The information contains NIC, family card number, address, telephone number, names of family members, card fees, sign ID. Okay, next. USG analysis. U for urgency. This issue is considered urgent and important because this problem occurs every day and this problem can even harm other parties. For this reason, I rate the level of urgency as 5 out of 5. As for seriousness, this issue is considered very serious because this issue concerns the interest of the community or the common good. So this problem does not only harm one person but many people. For that reason, I rate the level of seriousness 5 out of 5. G for growth. At the beginning of 2023, the average number of cyber attacks on Indonesia reached 1,981 per day in the last 6 months, but strong and weak attacks. For this reason, I rate the growth rate of this problem 5. For this reason, I rate the growth rate of this problem 4 out of 5. Further on, cause of the issue. First, human error. Human error is one of the causes of cybercrime. Unaware users in taking action in cyberspace take action that can make their systems vulnerable to hacking. For example, using weak passwords, using different account credentials, being easily fooled by phishing, opening questionable links. Second, lack of professional attention to cybersecurity. Cyber attack methods continue to evolve so that hackers can now break in many ways. Malware infection in the form of ransomware works, Trojan horse. Vulnerable to attacks, you must continuously half-hearted attention to cybersecurity factors makes your organization more vulnerable to attacks. You must continuously improve the cybersecurity of the device or systems you use. For example, updating software regularly and using different types of antivirus and anti-malware. 3. There are vulnerable points in your IT system. Security vulnerabilities that are not fixed quickly can give cyber hackers easy access to your system. Conduct regular penetration testing so that vulnerabilities can be patched or fixed quickly. Next discussion about impact. Negative impact of hacking. First, identity theft. Second, financial loss. 3, reputation damage. 4, critical infrastructure damage. 5, service disruption. 6, privacy breach. 7, malware spread. Positive impact of hacking is 1, securing data. 2, maintain information security. Further on, solution to control the issue. How to prevent and recover from hacker attacks. First, use a secure website. Second, provide sensitive identities only when absolutely necessary. 3. Create strong and secure password using upper and lowercase letters, non-consecutive numbers, and special character symbols. Use different password on different accounts. 4. Make sure your computers and mobile device are running the latest version of operating system and application. 5. Monitor your online transaction and monthly financial statement regularly to ensure the accuracy of transaction and that there are no fraudulent transactions. 6. Check your credit report regularly to ensure that identity thieves are not opening credit card account or loans in your name. How to recover? First, resetting password. Second, notify people so that if something goes wrong, people already know that the account is not ours. 3. Contact your bank or financial service. 4. Use antivirus. 5. Remember the list of services connected to the account. 6. Try logging into the account. Next is discussion. Hacking is the activity of breaking into a computer program owned by another person or party. Hacking can also be interpreted as an activity that provides benefits for operating system to create assistance programs for networks and computers. So, hacking is an activity of breaking through computer programs and information systems with a specific purpose, whether it is a good purpose or a bad purpose. Next is conclusions. From the above issues, it can be seen that the impact of cybercrime is quite large and very detrimental. Crimes related to the confidentiality, integrity, and existence of data and computer systems need special attention because these crimes have a different character from conventional crimes. Internet crimes are increasing along with the increasing number of internet users and the proximity of the internet in daily activities. For this reason, efforts are needed to overcome the obstacles found in investigating cybercrime, including improving legal instruments, educating investigators building forensic computing facilities, increasing investigative efforts and international cooperation, and making efforts to prevent legal hacking. Further on is suggestion. First, Internet users, especially those with expertise in the field of system security, can utilize their expertise and technology for research purposes and contribute their thought for the advancement of science and technology in Indonesia. Second, saying the development of the Internet network, which is increasingly widespread and has been used in almost every activity, the prevention of this crime must be emphasized. Seeing the development of Internet networks that are increasingly widespread and have been used in almost every activity, this crime prevention must be emphasized by law enforcement officials so that Internet technology can be utilized properly, which ultimately result in a new world with a virtual reality full of hubs for our mankind. Hey, well, that's all for me. If there are mistakes and shortcomings, I apologize, and I end this video by saying thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.